Hey guys, this is Sean with the Nerd Herd How To's, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a website using HTML. The first thing you're going to need to do is create a folder that has just everything you're going to be using for this website. Mine is here in the Nerd Herd How To example. Just every image you have, the website itself, and the notepad document is going to be in here. The notepad document, once you save it, will become a website icon like this. But what you're going to need after that is just Notepad, and I'm pretty sure like every computer has Notepad. So now once you've got Notepad, you've got to start with your HTML tag. These things are called tags, and that begins the website. You have your heading, and within that heading there is usually a title, and for that title I'm just going to make it a nerd. Oops, I spelled nerd wrong. And that's that. After that we have the body tag. Just going to end the body tag, and by doing that I can end the HTML, and that is the basic frame for a website. That's it. So we're going to go to File, Save As. I know you can't see that, it's sort of cut out of the camera area, but we're going to put it in the Nerd Herd How To folder in Web Design, and we're going to call it Nerd Herd Example .html. If you don't save it as .html, it's just going to be a notepad. If you accidentally save it as .html, or accidentally save it without that, you just go back and save it again with the HTML. But you need the HTML in there. So we save that. And now I can go into my documents, and there it is, Nerd Herd Example. You can open this up. And there you have it. This is the website right now. That's all it is, because we haven't put anything in there yet. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some text into here. So we go into the body area between the two brackets, and we start a paragraph, which is just a P in the brackets, and then any text you put in there will show up on the website. So the first thing we'll do is just, this is a website, period. You have to make sure to end it. If you don't end it, it doesn't work. And then you just save it. And we go to the website and refresh, and voila! There's your website. This is a website. So we can always add some more into that. Let's pull it back open the note document. Now once we open this, we're going to add an image this time. So we're going to go back in here, start a new paragraph, and we're going to add image source equals, and then in quotations, link, and quotations, and that. We're going to end the paragraph. You're going to save that. Oh wait, whoops, one second. Actually, it's link.jpg. I forgot, you have to add I think GIFs work too, but this one's saved as a JPEG, and you don't want the E in there because they won't work that way. So we save that, and we refresh, and you got the picture that I had in there, which we had link in there. So got your nice picture of link. Now that was in the folder you saw at the beginning, so it has to be in the folder to work. And now if I was to open this up and switch it from JPEG, add an E in there to JPEG, and save it, you can see that doesn't work. It needs to be just JPG, no E in there. Alright? Now if you want to change the color of your background, you go up into the body tab inside the brackets, and it's BG color, then BG is background. It's not background. I don't. A lot of people make that misconception, I guess. I don't know. And then we need the hexadecimal, McAfee, get out of here. You need to go down. We need the hexadecimal color code for this. I'll post a link in the bar, but I have a sheet printed out here that has all the colors codes on it. And we're just going to go for a nice navy-ish blue color, so that will be... I cannot read this. Give me a second. 3366FF. So you have 3366FF. We end the quotations, file, save, and we come back to the website, we refresh, and voila. Now this image was this wasn't just the image. I haven't cropped this out yet, but you might want to use Paint and just crop out the image so the background around him. Now for the picture, there is some things you can do. We go up here into the image brackets. We say Alt equals, in quotations, whatever you want the image to be called. I'm just going to name it Link because I'm super creative. Now if that image is saved, it will be called Blink, and that's what it is. Because you saved images before that are like 2200999 bajillion. This will just be called Link if you save it from the website. Now we can move the image by doing V space for vertical space equals, and we'll just make it like, I don't know. Oops, I don't know if there's a space there or not. I'm gonna go with no space, probably not. V space equals 30, horizontal space equals, I'm gonna go with like 40. Go to File, Save. And then if we come back to the website and refresh, we have moved it. Those are some smaller numbers. If you really want to see them move a little bit more, we can go in here and change this to like 300 and 400. Why not? Boom. Suck that. But for this example, we'll keep it at 30 and 40. That's just so you can move it around wherever you want. Now, if you want to leave a note for yourself in the website here that you don't want to show up on the website, you leave it in a comment tag. So I'll just put it here. It is the bracket, exclamation point, 2 dashes, and then whatever your comment is, and then that on the other side too. That won't show up anywhere on the website. It's just part of it. It won't show up at all. See, we refresh, nothing there because I left it in a. Now, if you want to add a link in your website to another website, you go in here. We're just gonna add a new paragraph. And there, go in here. It's a space ref equals, and then a website. Let me just pop over here for a second and copy a link. Pop back in here. We're going to paste said link. Ref equals, and it's got to be in quotes, so. Actually, I don't think you need all this stuff in there, so just go to pandora.com. That on there. And you just, if you want it linked to it, and then the text you write under it, so we'll just say Pandora, and then over here, /A, you end the A, and I'll end the paragraph, and then we save it. And now when we refresh, we have a link to Pandora.com. Page not found because my computer stopped working, but I assure you the link works. Alright, so until next time, this is the video, part 1, the basics. If you want to know how to do anything with HTML, just leave a comment or send us a message and I will make a video about it. Thanks guys, bye.